So before we jump into this, let me just talk about where I've been. So lately, I've been working on changing my career path. Um, Currently, I work in management within food service, and I've been working on transitioning into HVAC. So my schedule's been a little busy, um, so that's why I haven't been streaming as much. But I'm gonna make the effort to jump back in and do a few hours here and there. The good news is everything is underway as far as the transition. Um, right now, I'm working on getting my certificate, my EPA 608 certificate within HVAC, so I could actually start working as an helper and then eventually get licensed as an HVAC tech. And then in the fall of 2026, I'm planning on going back to school to get my HVAC degree. And then in the spring of 2027, I'll work my way into an HVAC apprenticeship, which would pay for the rest of my degree. So, for all the people who are looking to get into HVAC or trade, now is a good time because a lot of the jobs are being taken up by AI. So, starting something like a trade can do you no wrong. So, that's where I'm at. And of course, streaming is a good investment as well to make. So, that's why I will continue to stream. I'll do both hand in hand while I'm trying to transition into HVAC. Okay, don't mind my parakeets. Don't mind them. If you don't know, I have two parakeets. One is a male and the other one's a female.